How you can make your Pinterest account public. Making your Pinterest account public is a quick and easy process. You just have to follow these steps very carefully. Let's begin. First of all, you'll have to open your application. Once you've launched your application, you can see there are many options at the very bottom. As you can see, there is Home, Search, Create, Notification, and Saved. You just want to go to Saved section and click on it. This will take you to the settings. Now, if I view my profile, as you can see, here is a lock. That means my profile is private right now. If I go back to the settings, I can see there is an option for profile visibility. Once I open this, as you can see, I right now have a private profile. What this does is only the people that I approve can see my profile, and all of my pins, boards, my followers, and following lists. Only the followers that I can approve can see this. Now, if I toggle this off, this will make my profile public, and anyone that views my profile can see all of my saved, my pins, boards, everything. So if I view my profile again and refresh, as you can see, the lock is now removed. This means my profile is public right now. And this is how you can easily make your profile public on Pinterest. Thank you for watching.